Atoms of the same element are not always the same. They can be different in the number of neutrons in the nucleus. These are called isotopes. Let's take carbon for example. Each carbon atom has an atomic number of 6. The atomic number represents the number of protons in the nucleus. So each carbon atom has 6 protons in the nucleus. But the number of neutrons can be different. Here are 3 isotopes of carbon. The protons are the blue particles and the neutrons are the black particles. Notice each atom has 6 protons in the nucleus. But do you see the differences? The first isotope has 6 neutrons. The second isotope has 7 neutrons. And the final isotope has 8 neutrons. These are 3 isotopes of carbon. But how can we report which isotope we are studying or reporting? We can report the mass number. The mass number is simply the protons plus the neutrons in the nucleus. The mass numbers from left to right are 12, 13, and 14. Finally, there are a few notations. We can write the full element name and mass number separated by a hyphen, or the elemental symbol and the mass number separated by a hyphen. Carbon 12, for example, or C12. Another way to express an isotope is to use a nuclear symbol. In the nuclear symbol, the elemental symbol is written with the mass number in the left superscript position. The atomic number is written in the left subscript position. But the atomic number is usually omitted. Since the elemental symbol is written, you can refer to the periodic table for the atomic numbers. Sometimes atoms can lose or gain electrons. We can report isotopes of ions the same way. Simply insert the net charge in the right superscript position. Here are some examples of the cation iron 54 and 56, 2+, and chloride 35 and 37, 1-.